Football news now. Reggae Boys coach Theodore Whitmore says while there are signs of improvement in the local Premier League, more needs to be done to get the local top flight competition more in line with the national program.
Speaking at a symposium on Saturday at the University of Technology, senior men's football team coach Theodore Whitmore highlighted several areas of concern regarding the National Premier League. Whitmore took the time to urge coaches to be more involved in the development of the sport locally and take on the responsibility of helping local-based players reach levels as those playing overseas.
It's a different level. Again, the MLS, the USL players play against top players week in, week out. And what is our motivation in our local Premier League? Again, consistency is important. You go out there and a man tell you, all right, come on. Again, we're going to look at Roy Simpson today. Okay, fine. But next week, you look at the same Roy Simpson. You have to really wonder if the same Roy Simpson. So again, what motivates, what drives these players?
In the meantime, former national player Sean Fraser, who took part in the symposium, says the time is right to change focus after a long playing career.
I think my playing career is over because one, too many injuries, and two, I'm 36 years old now, so you have to look in the next direction. This symposium for me personally has been the best. I've learned so much since I've been here. I get to interact with big coaches, or so to speak, elite coaches, like Coach Tapper Whitmore, someone who coached me before, someone who I've played with in the national team before. You have Shavar Thomas here, Andre Waugh, so a lot of people here that you can learn from.
Fraser spent the last few seasons playing in the National Premier League with Harbourview. Fraser was one of several coaches who hailed the symposium as a wonderful initiative.
The information that is shared with us is very vital, and it is preparing me for taking on the role of actually being a coach. I am presently somewhat active and but have future interest in having a club, getting a club for myself.
The two-day symposium ended on Saturday.